If I look back now and see what we were doing 5 years ago compared to the firm we are now and how we run it, it would be incredibly difficult to say that we could still run our firm the same way. Would the firm continue to run and could we service our clients? Yes. Could we do it nearly as effectively or efficiently? No. One of the things we've been able to do is really grow our firm both revenue-wise and employee-wise without having to add a lot of administrative and overhead burden. We spend a lot of money on technology and we try and do it right from the get-go. One of the things that BigTime has really helped us do is manage that growth. There's nobody out there that really did a good job with time and billing. It was frustrating to input time. It was very difficult to get time and expenses out of our current system into our invoicing because we use QuickBooks as our accounting on the back end, and there was no direct integration. And when we talked to the guys from BigTime, one of the things we really liked about it was that they came out and they had a direct integration to QuickBooks, which was very important to us. We want this to be as seamless as possible. But then they also were able to pull all of the expenses, all of the inventory, everything we had in our computer division into the billing system and right back out. So the amount of time that it saved our administrative personnel was a game changer for us. The other nice feature for the administrative staff is how much easier it is to get reports. Our old system was just a nightmare in trying to create any kind of customized reports. Whereas with BigTime, it's got a really friendly front end. It's very easy to create reports, and as a partner group, we're constantly wanting something more out of the system. BigTime has really done a good job of creating some of these reports that help us really see our business in depth. One of the things that BigTime gave us the opportunity to do is really have a daily report. So if I'm not in the office on any given day, I get a daily report emailed to me directly out of the system. All the partners do by 9 o'clock the next morning that tells me every hour that was billed, everybody that put in their time, how many hours they worked, how many administrative hours, how much was billable, where they were at compared to budget, where they were at compared to last year. You know, when we were a 5, 10, 20-person firm, it wasn't that difficult. I could walk through the office and actually see who was busy and who wasn't busy. Once you get to a certain size, it's more difficult. So now, even if I'm sitting here in my office, I can't always tell what's going on out there. But from that daily report that BigTime helped us write, I can now see who's busy, who needs work, who wasn't busy, and it's given us the ability to really run our firm a lot more progressively.